Hello, this is Kelly Myers, principal of Highland Park Elementary. Please watch and listen carefully to learn more about Highland Park and our Title I program. Schools which meet certain requirements are eligible to receive federal funds called Title I Part A funds. A school-wide program permits a school to use Title I funds to upgrade the school's entire educational program. Here at Highland Park, we receive these funds and we use them to raise the academic achievement of all students at Highland Park. The goal of our Title I program is to help our students to meet the rigor of our state standards. You can learn more about Tennessee's academic standards by reviewing them on the Best for All webpage at the tennesseeedu.gov site. We will give assessments throughout the school year to help us determine if our students are making progress in meeting the rigor of our state standards. You may read more about these assessments on the Maury County Public Schools webpage. You may also read more about our high-quality instructional materials, the scope and sequence of our curriculum, and other curriculum resources on the Maury County Public Schools webpage as well. Throughout the school year, your child's classroom teacher will keep you informed of your child's progress in meeting the proficiency levels needed for their grade level. Each grade level team creates common formative assessments to note the progress of each individual student. This allows our teachers to provide whole and small group instruction to either remediate or enrich our students' instruction. Park submits a school improvement plan to our district and state each year. Our school improvement plan consists of goals and strategies that are put in place to guide our annual progress with our students. Our school improvement plan was written with the help of our leadership team. Our leadership team meets regularly with parent and community input. The focus is on reading and math. Because we are a Title I school, we must have highly qualified teachers and paraprofessionals. We provide ongoing professional development for our faculty and staff to ensure our students receive high-quality instruction so they will be successful in meeting our state's rigorous standards. Part of our school improvement plan is to have ongoing review strategies for our most at-risk students. One of those strategies is the implementation of response to intervention and instruction for academics and behavior. For our academics, students participate in a state-approved universal screener and other drill-down assessments to help us identify students who may lack skills that would prevent academic success in reading and math. Students may then receive additional Tier 2 or Tier 3 small group instruction to close those skill gaps. If students do not need Tier 2 or Tier 3 instruction, then they may receive small group instruction to either remediate or enrich academics as well. We also have a response to intervention and instruction behavior program. Our RTIB program is part of our school-wide discipline plan to support all students, but in particular those students with behavioral needs in Tier 2 or Tier 3. Intervention. Our school-wide expectations are be ready, be safe, and be kind. Students are rewarded with Tiger tickets when they are observed following one of those expectations. Students may spend or save their Tiger tickets for student incentives in the classroom or school-wide. Not only does our school-wide discipline plan help to create a culture of learning, but it also increases an understanding of financial literacy. We also have strategies in our school improvement plan to provide remediation, tutoring outside of the school day. Each year, during the second semester of school, we evaluate our Title I program with an annual needs assessment. We conduct surveys of our teachers and parents annually. We review our assessment data on a regular basis, but we annually evaluate using our TCAP achievement data and our TBAS growth data. You may learn more about our school-wide data by reviewing our state report card on the state website. Part of being a Title I school-wide program is to increase our parent engagement and involvement. Therefore, we have a parent involvement plan and policy. We have created a parent-teacher compact brochure that describes the responsibilities of parents and teachers. These were developed by our leadership team. We will have planned activities throughout the school year in which we encourage you to participate. Your child's progress will be communicated in a variety of ways. Mid-9 weeks reports and report cards. However, you may have access anytime within the parent portal. We will also have scheduled parent-teacher conferences throughout the school year. However, you may schedule a conference with your child's teacher at any time by contacting your child's teacher. We send school-wide communications at various times throughout the year, but weekly on Sunday evenings. This may be a text message, phone call, an email, or we use the Remind app. A weekly school-wide update will be sent every Sunday evening. Classroom teachers also have various ways of communicating, such as other communication apps, web pages, and newsletters. Be sure to sign up for communications so you will get information and reminders about important events happening throughout the school year, including school closings and early dismissals for inclement weather. You may locate the Maury County Student Handbook on the Maury County Public Schools webpage. In the handbook, you will find ESSA notifications, the student discipline policy, dress code information, attendance information, use of internet policies, and grading policies. Please visit the Maury County Public Schools for other helpful information. We also have a copy of the student handbook in our school office. To learn more about Title I and other federal programs, you may also view the Maury County Public Schools webpage. Lastly, I would like to stress to you that we need your help in the success of your student. Attendance is critical. Please try your best to have your student at school each and every day and on time. If a student must be out due to sickness or any other valid reason, please return to school with either a doctor's note or parent note. We accept only 5 parental notes per semester. Also, 4 unexcused tardies or early sign-outs will equal 1 unexcused absence and will be applied to the process. A student is counted as tardy if they arrive after 8:15 or any early sign-out before 2:45. Per board policy, there are no early sign-outs after 2:45 p.m. It is board policy as well as federal and state law for your child to attend school. You will be contacted by our attendance clerk after 3 unexcused absences. At Tier 2, 5 unexcused absences, we must have a conference and attendance contract detailing steps of improvement. At Tier 3, other school consequences may take place, such as in-school suspension. At 12 unexcused absences, there will be referral to the District Truancy Board and possibly a petition to juvenile court. Please help us by having your child at school every day and arrive on time. I truly appreciate you viewing this presentation. However, if you have any questions about our Title I school-wide program, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You may contact me, Kelly Myers, school principal, our assistant principal, Alice Hardison, or Title I school facilitator, Paula Ballou. You may also contact our Federal Programs Department at the Maury County Public Schools Central Office. In conclusion, please stay up to date with all of the happenings at Highland Park by viewing our webpage often or following us on our Facebook or Twitter pages.